All right, you guys, here we are up on the roof of another client's home. This is a home that I've already done a video on. I believe the video was made 2 years after the install. Here we are 4 years later. The homeowner was out in the yard working in her garden bed, so I didn't want to get her on video. So yeah, here we are. We're already up on the roof. Gonna go ahead, turn the camera around, and we'll show you what these guards are looking like. Quick, you may recognize this roof and these trees from my previous video, but full of trees, and even having them right across the street in the neighbor's yard, that wind will blow it right over here, no problem. When I got here, they already had a gutter guard. Their gutters were full of debris. And they were, getting their water beds, their flower beds totally destroyed. So here we go. They've never been brushed. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this stick off into the backyard for her. So there we go. Am I in the shadow here? Maybe I can, there we go. How's that? So this is 4 entire years. Just gonna show you that. Got a little bit of, I'm trying not to be in the block of sun here. So there you go, a little bit of shingle grit. A stick or two. Let's see, we go down there. A couple sticks. Well, overall pretty clear. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right, let's run to the back. All right. And like I said, these were full of debris before. So don't be fooled by how amazing these guards are working just to think like, oh, well, that's easy peasy. Most guards will not have this sort of success. This is Leafblaster Pro. You can see, look at that big old stick. No problem. Ain't damaging this guard one bit. There we go. We'll start running across the back of the house here. This is about 120 feet. I had to uninstall a guard and add hangers to this home. So it's about 130 feet. I want to say this home was about $1,800 or $1,700 altogether. And now you can see everything's working great, just as I expected. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so 4 years later, never been brushed once. The wind, if you have straight runs of gutter, you don't have pine needles, that the wind is pretty much going to take care of you. We've been to however many homes so far today. I'm sure you've seen all the straight runs of gutter. Even that one home, completely in the canopy, constant debris. They have a very unique debris that falls in the spring. That's been on there for 3 years, never been brushed. The guards are 90% clear. A little bit of debris on them that just needed brushed off. But even with that little bit of debris, there's still no problems. Water filtering in just fine. No problems for the homeowner. Everything's working just how they were hoping, and as well as me. So yeah, here we go. Just another example to show you guys this is what you can kind of expect. So thank you.